Okay, question 45. A shop owner bought some t-shirts and purses. Each t-shirt cost $8 and each purse cost $5. She bought a total of 28 t-shirts and purses. She spent $161 altogether. So how many t-shirts did she buy? Okay guys, this is a typical guess and check method. So we do not know how many t-shirts are there. Okay, and we also do not know how many purses are there. But we know that one t-shirt will cost $8 and one purse will cost $5. So altogether there are 28 of them and the total cost would be $161. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you this method. It's called the modified guess and check method. Okay, so this guess and check method, right, is going to get you the answer by after two guess. Okay, so guess and check modified method. Okay, so pay attention to this method because it's going to save you a lot of time in exam. So of course, first of all, we need to draw a table. Okay, so this table need not be too big because we are going to get the answer within two steps. So what we need here, right, is that we just need the header and just two rows like this will be good enough. And I need 6 columns. Okay, so we have 1, 2. Okay, the third, fourth, and fifth column, we try to draw it bigger because we need to do some calculations. Okay, so how do we fill in the columns? Okay, we have two different objects here. One is t-shirt, one is purse. So I can just write down the short form. Okay, then after that it will be the cost of all the t-shirts. Okay, and the cost of all the purses. Then we have the total cost, and we need to check whether the total cost is the same as this $161. Okay, so now how do we go about guessing? So we have altogether 28 of them. So make sure these two, when we add up, the total has to be 28. So guys, what do we do, right? The first guess, usually we take somewhere in the middle. Okay, so 28 divided by 2 is 14. So we just start off with 14 t-shirts and 14 purses. So one t-shirt, right, is going to cost $8. So 14 t-shirts, isn't it 14 times 8? I have 112. Okay. How about the purses? I have 14 times 5 equals to $70. Okay. So the total, right, it will be 112 plus 70. I will have $182. And when we do a check here, of course it's wrong because the total has to be 161, not 182. Okay guys, now in order to get the answer by the second try, right, okay, you have to use this 3 steps. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So we call it the minus divide method. So minus, what do we minus? We minus the total. Okay, then the second we minus 1, 1. Okay, what do I mean by 1, 1? I'll tell you later. Let's do the total first. You can see that we have this total here, which the total that we calculate, and the total that we need to check. So we minus off these two numbers first. Okay, so it'll be 182 minus 161. I will have $21. Okay, then the second minus is 1, 1. Okay, 1, 1 we look here. So that it means that we need to minus one t-shirt with one purse. Okay, so can you see that we have this 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So divide, of course, we divide these two together. So we have this 21 divided by 3. I have 7. Okay, so we know we need to change the number of the t-shirts and the purses. So how many do we change? Change by 7. Okay, so now can you see that, guys? We have too much. Okay, so the total is 2 much. So we have to bring down the total. So we have to decrease the object that is more expensive. So can you see that t-shirt is more expensive? So to bring down the total, I need to decrease the number of t-shirts. Decrease by how many? Decrease by 7. Okay, so it will be 14 minus 7. I have 7 here. So if you decrease 7 here, right, you have to plus 7 to the first. Because the total, you still need it to be 28. So you see 27 plus 21 is still 28. So total cost for the t-shirts, isn't it 7 times 8? We have 56. Okay. Total cost for the purses, we have 21 of them multiplied by $5 each. We have $105. So total in this case, it will be 56 plus 105. Can you see that we have 161? So now we check is correct. Okay, so guys, please take note of this. What I call it, we call it the minus minus divide method. Okay, so it's it's actually a shortcut for this guess and check so that you can get the answer by the second guess. Okay, so it pretty much save a lot of your time in the exam. Okay, and let's answer the question. How many t-shirts did she buy? Okay, t-shirts that she bought, can you see that is 7. Okay, so 7 t-shirts. Okay, and this is the answer.